Gamers and aspiring developers. Welcome back to Skill Ful Solutions, your ultimate destination for all things gaming and tech. Today we're diving into the exciting world of Roblox, specifically how to create a Game Pass. If you're looking to enhance your Roblox experience or even make some Robux, you're in the right place. Game passes in Roblox can add a whole new layer of excitement to your games. So, let's jump right in and learn how to do it step by step. Access Roblox Studio. Fire up Roblox Studio. If you haven't already, download and install it. Once you're in, open your game project or create a new one. Step 2. Open the Game Passes tab in Roblox Studio. Navigate to the Game Passes tab. This is where the magic happens. You'll find it in the Home tab. 3. Create a new Game Pass. Time to create your Game Pass. Click on the Create New button. Give your Game Pass a catchy name and description, something that resonates with players. Step 4. Customize the icon. Customize the icon for your Game Pass. Make it visually appealing and reflective of what players will get. You can design your own or use a pre-made image. Configure permissions. Configure the permissions for your Game Pass. Decide what benefits or access players will gain by purchasing it. This could include exclusive items, levels, or features. Step 6. Set the price. Set the price for your Game Pass. You can choose Roblox or make it free if you like. Just keep in mind, setting a reasonable price can encourage more players to grab your Game Pass. Publish your Game Pass. It's time to bring your Game Pass to life. Hit the Save button to publish it. Once it's published, players will be able to purchase and enjoy the perks you've designed. And there you have it, fellow game enthusiasts, a comprehensive guide on how to create your own Game Pass in Roblox. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Skill Ful Solutions for more gaming and tech insights, and don't forget to ring that notification bell. Stay tuned for more exciting tips, tricks, and how-tos that will elevate your gaming experience. Until next time, keep gaming and keep creating.